That was close. Okay, so right now we're in this place called Damaraland. It's this desert area right north of Swakopmund, which is where we just were, with some incredible landscapes. We're talking beautiful lizards, some incredible birds, and hopefully tomorrow we get to see some desert adapted elephants. Now, since you saw us last, we were in Swakopmund. Now in Swakopmund, we mainly just hung out, ate some food. It's actually a really nice town that has a kind of like a Germanic feel to it. You just walk around and just generally feel a community, which is pretty cool. I got a sandwich called the Terminator. I didn't know it'd be this big. But we did take one day and go to a place called Walvis Bay and take a very well-known thing called a boat trip, and it was pretty phenomenal. So I'm gonna stay here in Damaraland. You go back in time, have a good time on what we did on that boat, and I'll see you back in a second. It's pretty fantastic. See you in a minute. Good morning from Walvis Bay. Today we are taking a boat ride where the biggest novelty of the boat ride is that a seal jumps on your boat and he comes along with you for the ride. It's a whole thing that happens here. Didn't know it was a thing. It's definitely a thing.
This is unbelievable. He's coming.
Ganz einfach zu brauchen, meine Damen und Herren. Einfach so über den Kopf ziehen.
Anyway, right now we're in a place called Damaraland, which is really well known for desert adapted animals. These are animals that have evolved over hundreds of years to be adapted with very little water. We were just driving here in Damaraland and we happened to come across some new friends. Hey guys, just out for a snack. Oh, there's another one. That guy just laid down because he's not worried about predators. That's kind of cool to see on the side of the road. And one of the big things to see around here is the desert adapted elephants. We drove in hoping we could see them with no luck. So tomorrow morning, we're getting in a safari car and going driving. Fingers crossed, we see something. Let's see what happens. Let's go.
Freezing.
You want to see what just happened?
We saw elephants. We found them all on our own. No help.
Yeah, it was all us. We did the whole thing.
Did everything myself.
By saying we did the whole thing, we got a guide, drove us in a safari car. He was really good at the tracking and found a small group of elephants. Total of 7. Desert adapted elephants are a little bit different than elephants we see other places. They're a little bit smaller, and he says they potentially have bigger feet and longer legs, but that's to be confirmed. We weren't sure if we were gonna make it. We cruised around for a little bit, but we eventually, after a lot of searching, did find the group, and it was pretty great. So I think now it's time to get some early morning coffee and some muffins, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
That was really close.
Coming in hot.
Hello from my outdoor bathroom. Not bad.